When it comes to linear position sensors like LVDTs, LVITs, and potentiometers, accuracy depends not just on the sensor itself, but on how it's installed. One of the most common issues is misalignment. The sensor core or shaft must move linearly and concentrically within the body. Misalignment often leads directly to side loading. This occurs when lateral forces are applied to the shaft or core during operation. These side forces can introduce measurement errors, increase friction, and lead to premature wear. To prevent both misalignment and side loading, it's important to maintain proper alignment between the sensor and the target, and use rod end bearings or guided mechanisms to isolate the sensor from off-axis forces. Improper mounting can also impact performance. Tightening set screws directly onto the sensor body, applying uneven clamping force, or using ferromagnetic materials with inductive sensors can distort the housing or affect signal quality. Using proper mounting hardware that provides even, non-distorting support is key. Choosing the wrong stroke length can reduce both accuracy and usability. If the range is too short, the sensor may bottom out. If it's too long, resolution decreases and small movements become harder to detect. Selecting a sensor with a range that closely matches the application is important. Electrical connections are another common source of error. Loose wiring, incorrect connections, or lack of shielding can introduce noise and signal instability. Following proper wiring practices and using shielded cables when needed helps maintain clean, reliable output. Environmental factors should also be considered. Temperature, vibration, moisture, and contamination can all affect performance if not properly accounted for. Make sure the sensor is rated for the operating environment and properly protected. Finally, calibration is often overlooked. Even with a proper installation, failing to zero or verify the sensor can lead to inaccurate readings. Always confirm output at known positions and calibrate as needed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. For additional pricing and technical questions, visit us at hgsind.com. Harold G. Shavitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.